The next one in the charge is going to be, let's see. Oh, you know this one. Another classic, Ethereum
Oh
Classic.
my goodness. My man gives all the plays. I
Give you
love
guys all
it.
the plays. It's not like we have 100,000 people watching right now.
True. True.
But
That's
hey,
awesome.
it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good for the record.
You've got to get on ChatGPT and figure out how to run that Discord because we could put this stuff in there too.
Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna start loading stuff on Discord now because I've been behind it. And we'll probably gonna be sharing it on X because that's where the crypto people are at.
True.
But anyways, all right, I'm gonna hand it over to Crypto Poppy. We're gonna do live technical analysis on Ethereum Classic.
All right. All right. So my final one that I gave to the friend group, we have Ethereum Classic paired with the US dollar. Weekly time frame data is coming out in from Coinbase. I just want to take a sneak peek when it was listed on Coinbase, roughly July 18th, 2016. So it's been on Coinbase for quite some time, just about 10 years. Another 6 months will be about 10 years. It's been on Coinbase. How awesome. Kudos to you, ETC. So just zoomed out, looked at Ethereum Classic. We have our listing. We have it going crazy. About a year after its listing, pulled back, nice pump up to the upside before coming down, retracing all of that. Went sideways and consolidated just like everything else did from that 2018 to about 2020 time frame before going absolutely crazy, going to the moon, roughly from, let's say right here, roughly from $5.30 up to, Jesus Christ, from $5 to $175. That's insane. That's baffling. That's mind blowing. So here we have a couple blue horizontal rays plotted at $75.06, another one at $56.22, which just correlate with some candle bodies and some wicks, and where we could potentially have some damn take profits in the future. Not financial advice. But here you could see we're at $12.68 currently, which is sitting on some support here from June 27, 2022. Again here, June 12th, 2023, and August 14th, 2023. We also have it from back here from 2017, 2018. So we're on some strong support. But unlike the couple tokens we just covered, we're not at our all-time lows. We could still fall down to these levels here, which would be about 42, all the way down to about 67% movement to the downside. But with that downside comes the upside. So let's take a look at where potentially one would have a take profit on ETC, not financial advice. 323% movement to the upside and 460% movement to the upside. And that's not unrealistic. That's not crazy movement for Ethereum Classic because we could start going back up to $175,000. But again, we need these levels to come through. We need to hold up at these support levels and not drop that, 60% movement to the downside. We need to start moving up to the upside, getting some excitement back in this market, get some money flowing into these smaller cap altcoins. And you could see here, maybe roughly take about 10%, take about 15% off the table and potentially reinvest if and when we come back down to the downside. But you still have 75% of your overall holdings to go for that moonshot, to go break our previous all-time highs at 175 and start chasing potentially $300 and beyond when it comes to ETC. So these, hopefully you guys will see posted on Discord because, we don't have to necessarily give all of the not financial advice for every sentence we're saying. So ETC looks great. We're close to its all-time lows, but again, we could still drop that 40 to 60% to the downside before putting in one of those 300 to 500% movements to the upside. So that's it for ETC. Look for JJ to get on that Discord, the Buttersmooth Discord, and we could throw these in there.
So that's gonna be as you see that banner below. I'm gonna put it up there once we have it Start as soon as I start making all these videos, I'm gonna throw them into Discord. I'm gonna put them on X. I finally got the blue check mark on there, so I'm gonna be uploading longer videos there as well. Just sharing the content all around, so we keep this thing moving. Especially right now, when the market is kind of on a hold, so we're set up for the bull run already. But anyways, that was that for Ethereum Classic. Like I said, that was a classic.